And as you're starting to do intelligent data processing inside of a company, now you can start to help them get to some best practices around here's how you keep your data safe, here's how you do regulatory and compliance, here's how you manage your audits, and really start to be successful not only in getting that return on investment and being able to access their data, but here's how you manage it and how do you take good care of it. Adam, you and Sandy both brought up the point about data residency. This is huge. When you're dealing with healthcare data in the US, it has to stay on the US continental soil. When you're dealing with healthcare data in Europe, it has to stay within those regional and country boundaries. And when you're dealing with financial data, there are also different regulatory and compliance pieces there for where that data is generated, where it's kept, where it's all put together. So these are really kind of huge pieces for industries to be able to make sure they're managing their regulatory and compliance, and then they're not also leaking data out all over the internet. So it's being able to make sure that not only you're processing all of that data, but then your models are well governed, well thought through, and the information comes out. The people who need to see the information can get access to it, and the people who don't need to see it are are not getting it. So really, there's a lot to do with some of these new models and these new agentic workflows to make sure that your data is safe, secure, compliant, and well governed and well managed and maintained.